responsible innovation. History shows us something important. Powerful technologies can help humanity or harm it, depending on how they are used. Quantum computing is one of those technologies, and it forces us to ask a difficult question. Will we move fast or will we move responsibly? Speed versus ethics. Innovation often rewards speed. The faster a company or country develops new technology, the more advantages they gain. First access, competitive dominance, global influence. This pressure creates a mindset of move fast, don't fall behind. But speed comes with risks. When technology advances too quickly, we may see weak or missing safeguards, harm to individuals or society, loss of public trust. Responsible innovation means recognizing that just because we can build something doesn't mean we should rush to use it. Sometimes slowing down is not failure. It's responsibility. In emerging fields like quantum computing, this balance is critical. Lessons from history. We've faced this challenge before. Consider nuclear technology. It brought both energy and destruction. After World War II, some leaders, like Douglas MacArthur, even proposed expanding the use of nuclear weapons in conflicts like the Korean War. But not everyone agreed. Scientists like J. Robert Oppenheimer urged caution, recognizing the devastating consequences of uncontrolled use. Even more striking are the moments when catastrophe was avoided by individuals. During the Cuban Missile Crisis, Soviet officer Vasily Arkhipov refused to authorize a nuclear launch that could have triggered global war. Years later, in 1983, Stanislav Petrov chose not to report a false missile warning, preventing another possible nuclear escalation. These were not always the most powerful leaders, but their decisions changed history. The lesson is clear. Technology does not control outcomes. People do. Leadership responsibility. Responsible innovation depends on leadership. Leaders, in governments, companies, and institutions, decide when technology is released, how it is regulated, who has access to it, and how risks are managed. Modern research, including work from Stanford Law School, emphasizes key principles for emerging technologies like quantum computing, international cooperation, careful balance between openness and security, planning for worst-case scenarios, not just best-case outcomes. But leadership isn't limited to people at the top. As history shows, individuals at any level can make decisions that prevent harm or allow it. Avoiding harm is not optional. It is part of innovation itself. Quantum computing is still developing. That makes this moment important, because the decisions made now about how it is built, shared, and controlled will shape the future for decades. Responsible innovation is not about stopping progress. It's about guiding it, because in the end, the most powerful technology in the world is not a machine. It's human judgment.